Hi there, thanks for watching this video. This is Alessandro from SnapCall. I just wanted to record this one so I can guide you step by step through the main updates of the SnapCall April release. There's been a lot of that has been deployed into production, a lot of useful feature that might be, finger crossed, useful for your use cases and for your company as well. I will go through the main updates, and in case you have any questions, please feel free to drop a message into our chat widget. Yeah. First important update: AI skills are now separate from flow, and this brings a couple of more advantages. Yeah. So first of all, you can create your own AI skill and later on apply the same to multiple flow, meaning that you won't have to copy and paste the same prompt through different flow or through different steps. And if you edit one AI skill from here, from this main page over here, all the updates will be as well applied to all the flow where the AI skill is applied, which is perfect. And another thing, so there won't be any more content recognition, data extract. There will be just a custom AI skill where you can apply your own prompt. You can define if the output will be in a custom fields or in a Zendesk private note. So in this case, if you want a custom field, just select the one from your list. And you will have also access to the functionality try on media, which basically allows you to write a prompt and then check the outcome according to the image that you will upload using this button over here. Um, Another update, very important one, we right now have the attachment type of flow. Basically, this is a little bit different compared to the clip type of flow, because the clip one is mainly thought to allow you to guide the customer step by step through a recording interface, while the attachment type of flow is rather something that is designed to be added into an automation, for example, within a trigger in your Zendesk workspace. Yeah. When you define an attachment type of flow, the main difference is that you won't be able to define the steps of your flow, but you'll be able to define the target media. And this is basically the media that you would expect to locate on a ticket. These are the media that, for example, a support agent requires to solve a ticket. Yeah. And this can be a group of media that belongs to the same target media. And you can tell with a conversational language to SnapCall which media SnapCall should look for on the ticket that is analyzing. Yeah. So, for example, let's say that over here we want to, as is written over here, we want to look for error message within a screenshot. Yeah. So we might want to select JPEG and PNG as a type of media that we are expecting to receive. And in that case, SnapCall will look for images that contains error message, like for example in a screenshot. If this will not be that, SnapCall will not apply the AI skills that are added within the flow, and we'll just ignore the media so that it will go through the other attachment within the ticket itself. You can define as many target media as you would like to. The only thing that you need to do, you click on the add button and you can set up multiple target media. And the rest is pretty much the same. So again, you'll be able to add multiple AI skills into your flow, and this will be separate according to the target media that where you would like to apply the AI skills. Yeah. Other than that, a couple of more features. So the recommendation is basically a feature that will allow SnapCall to provide some sort of next step, for example, to an AI agent according to what the customer provided. And this can be useful, for example, to build an automation that would work on this specific feature, on the recommendation one. And the recommendation out of the box can be provided as a private note within the ticket, but you can also have it within the metadata of your advanced AI agents conversation, for example. Yeah. Couple of more updates. We also introduced what we call report. Basically, a report would be available within the media viewer. And basically, this will include all the different steps that SnapCall did while analyzing the media within the ticket. Yeah. Thanks to the report, you'll also be able to understand which media has been ignored, which media has been actually analyzed, and you will also find the recommendation directly within this tab of the clip. You will be able to see all the media submitted within a specific clip over here, and you will also be able to understand which media has been analyzed and which media has been ignored. So that in that case, it will be useful to understand if customer needs, for example, to resubmit the media, or in case there was any media where the information you were looking for was not provided. Yeah. Um, Apart from that, we also added a feature that we call recapture. Basically, this works in the following way. So if you set up multiple target media and SnapCall does not locate one of the target media that you are expecting to receive, SnapCall will flag that ticket with a tag and will add a stream URL into a custom fields of your ticket so that you can send that to the customer via a trigger automation in Zendesk. And you can basically ask the customer to upload that piece of evidence that is missing. Yeah. When you create an attachment type of flow, you will be also able to set up the banner that the customer will see in order to upload that specific piece of evidence. Yeah, so you can add the instruction for the customer when they will upload that. So in order to set up that, all you need to do, you click on collect media over here, and you will be able to define a capture model where you can add title and instruction for the customer to follow. These are some of the main updates that we deployed within the April release at SnapCall. I hope it is helpful to have to have an understanding of the core feature that we deployed. But of course, if you have any questions, if you have any specific question that you would like to drop to our support team, feel free to do that. You can reach us to our support email address, or you can get in touch through our chat widget. Other than that, wish you a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching this video. Take care.